doesn't want me. They jumped it. See if we can get this one going. The last one ran about 300 yards straight out and went down a hole.
Peanut, you're killing us! Peanut!
See if we can keep this one up. The last two went down holes. Sound like George. Still burning him up. George missed. Oh, it was right on top of that log. Oh my gosh, it was right on top of that log over there. And I missed it. One-handed shot. No more shells out. I ended up having to shoot one hand. He came running across the log. He was right on top of the log. And I think I missed him. He went back down the log, back towards the dogs. He was right on the frickin' log. There's the log he was on. Shot at him. He turned around and went back down. I know I missed him. I was shooting one-handed. Wasn't good. There's the log they were on. The rabbit was on, the dogs were on it. It did something back here though. I don't know which way it went when it ran backwards. Yep, there they are. They're on a log right where that rabbit ran. That's unbelievable. Never figured that one. That rabbit hauled them out. Went out of hearing. They're starting to come back. Well, y'all just went by. Hauling the mail. These rabbits are running too big for this time of year.
I think they're starting to big buck. They're getting moving out from Mason, you know? He was either there or there.
So he went right through the water. That was too big of a run, man.
That's huge.
Couldn't hear him for a while until I got up here. Glad he decided to turn around. Well, Bruce just shot at him and missed, so George missed one, I missed one, and Bruce missed. That's three. Fourth time maybe a charm.
You make that clear, you should cross the path and going way out like you did before. You should cross the path already, heading up through there.
Okay, I'm heading my way. I'll be out there. Yeah, if I would have just, I thought he ran over the hill and I started walking and he was sitting right there. And then he's coming your way.
Got him right in the head. I got him.
Oh, you got him?
And he was piled up on the other side.
All right. He got him, George. It's about time. There's a rabbit. Thought you said you weren't even close.
He was in midair when I shot, and I thought the bullets hit in the water.
Oh yeah.
I thought it was a miss and it hit him right in the head.
Through the swamp.